Hey guys, how you guys doing? This is Coach Scott with another edition of Purple Wave Chemistry, and this is Unit 4, version 2. Yeah, let's talk about some of these particle level diagrams, okay? So I've got here on my little screen all kinds of little particle level diagrams. Let me get a little draw function here. All right, I got it. And let's look at some of them and what they mean, and let's explore them and think about them. Okay, so let's look at C here, right? So I've got C. Go ahead and pick that one, and there we go. We're good. All right, so I've got C. I've got the same number of balls, little particles. They're in a nice structure, just like so. Okay, and they're not far apart. They're not rolling around each other or anything. So this tells me that this is a solid, right? That's the first thing I can say about this, right? And I can say it's homogeneous because it's the same throughout, all right? It's all got the same little particles there. Now, what else could I say about it? Well, they're the same particle, right? The same darkened in colored sphere. So then this is going to be an element, all right? I know this is going to be an element. I can't break it down any further, right? It's going to be a solid element. Okay, let's look at this one. Let's look at A. Now, A has also got several particles. It's all mixed there together, and they're close together. So that tells me that this is also a solid. All right, so that's a solid. What else can I say about this one? Okay, I can say that I've got two different types of particles there. But one of the things I notice about these particles, they seem to be in a unique whole number ratio. There's one, there's one, there's one, there's one. Different ones, right? So it's not an element. So this would be a compound. So this would be two elements that have been compounded together some way. All right. Now, can I say it's homogeneous? Yeah, so this is also homogeneous. It's the same throughout. So that's homogeneous. So several things I can tell just by looking at these particles. I think I said that this element is homogeneous too. So that's homogeneous. All right, is that a mixture? No. So that's a compound. All right, is this pure? Yeah, so this is a pure solid. It's all the same, so that's pure. And it looks like this compound is pure. I don't see anything different in there. So I'd say that was also pure if I was asked. Let's look over here at F. All right, so F. Well, I've got three white spheres here, three white spheres here, three white spheres here. And they're not in a nice structure, so that is not a solid. I could say that. And I know that they're far apart, so I would say that this is a gas of some sort. All right. They're all the same, but they're all three compounded. So, yeah, are these compounds? Are they elements? I would have to say that these are elements of some sort. I don't know why, but they're elements because they're all the same. Now, this also looks homogeneous, so I'd say this is homogeneous. And it's a gas, and you can have homogeneous gases. Is it pure? Is there anything more than just one thing? Yes, that's also a pure gas. Pure elemental homogeneous gas. I would say that. All right, let's see what else we want to look at. Let's look at D. So D, I got two different things. So let's say what it is it would be a solid, liquid, gas. I'm going to call this a gas also because, again, you've got particles that are far apart. Are they elements? No. They're not the same thing. I've got two different things right there, two different particles. So I'm going to say that this is a compound of some sort. What kind? I don't know. Are they homogeneous? Yeah, I'd call that homogeneous. And are they pure? Is there only one type of material there? Yes, that's also pure. Now let's look at the B. Let's look at B for a minute, right? So look, ooh, I got two of those. A big filled in circle, dark circle, a clear circle. I got two of those. And I got two of those. Okay. And let's say first what we got. Is that a solid, liquid, or gas? I'm going to say that's going to be a gas. Compounds, well, it's definitely a mixture. I'm going to call that a mixture. It's a mixture of compounds is what it is. So that's a mixture. Can we say it's homogeneous? I'm going to say yes, because on this side I've got this and this, and this and this. So yeah, if I had to, I probably wouldn't. But I'd say it's homogeneous. Probably wouldn't be asked that. Now, is it pure? No, it's not, because you got two different particles in there. So I'm going to say not pure. All right, let's look at E. Okay, I'm going to go on top on this. All right, so again, what kind of material, solid, liquid, or gas? Well, again, I think we can all agree now that that's a gas. Okay. Is it a compound? No, it's a mixture. Is it homogeneous? Is it the same? No, I'm going to say that's not. Because I got the little three things there. I got two single particles there. I got two single particles there. I'm going to say that this is heterogeneous. Okay. And is it pure? No, it is not pure. All right. It is not pure. So the only pure ones I can see is that. That's pure. That's pure. And A is pure. All right. So hopefully that will help you on the Unit 4 test, as far as looking at some of these diagrams and helping you figure out what you're looking at. And even above and beyond Unit 4, anytime you see a particle level diagram, think about it and look, and then that will help you out a lot in the future. Okay, guys, this is Coach Scott, version 2 is done. We've got about 2 or 3 more of these, and we'll have you, and you'll be prepared for that test. Hullabaloo, connect.